Elephant Man now.
Shither. Sun a shine and rain a drizzle.
Because I know before you even got into content creation and stuff, Elephant Man was one of your artists.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you remember the first time you remember hearing the Elephant say, yo, that man, yeah, bruh.
Elephant Man?
Yeah.
But me?
Yeah. No, when was the first time you heard the Elephant Man song?
I say
yo, that man, yeah, bruh.
Log on. And step on chichi man. Log on. For you know, say you know icky man, then tell them I look boy. When me I do I sing them song there. You see me? And then now you grew up on them something there. Dance the crazy hype, bust the crazy hype. You see me? Mm-hmm. Yeah, man. So like growing up, Elephant Man was everybody artist at one point. Mm-hmm. It's like a cartel used to run the place. Mm-hmm. Elephant Man used to run the place.
100%, man.
Used to run the place for years. Mm-hmm. Elephant Man is a legend. Elephant Man is a staple. Elephant Man is not our artist. Even to this day, Elephant Man is still my artist. Mm-hmm. Brother, when me hear Elephant Man I dance, you know, I can't stand up. Everybody stays up and go on. No. Yeah. When me hear crazy hype, I feel dance, bro.
Mm-hmm. The energy that he brings to his performances, music, and everything.
Yeah.
Elephant.
Yeah, man. Elephant Man is one of the greatest artists and performers that come out of Jamaica. I just need to give him props, man. Mm-hmm. Yeah, man.
When was the first time now, content creation, where you actually did a Elephant Man skit?
I would say around the same time when we did do, like, maybe a few months after me did the party video there. You see me? Yeah. But me did start the Killer first.
It was
and then me
Killer first.
Yeah, it was Killer first.
And it wasn't his diary first. It was just a character.
I think it was the diary first. You know,
the diary.
That boss. I make me continue to Killer.
Yeah.
You see me? I say, "Dear Erica." You see me? Yeah. So I would say about the same time around when we do the party video, like my first year. You see me? But it never did act.
Yeah.
Until like we get more recognition. And people said, no, you sound like Elephant Man for real.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
so
see,
around them time there.
The crazy things were those, because I remember the early ones, you didn't have on the wig that time there. It was just your black hair, whatever hairstyle you had. You're getting them to talk. But what made it even crazier, boss, was what you were saying, was the Elephant versus Beanie Man. Enough of them was Beanie Man. When Beanie Man went to, was it Bad Mind that he got 5 doses of?
Yep. Bad Man, remember. I would say, yo, when I do the interview, I would say, man say, what is it? Oh, you remember when Elephant Man and Beanie Man, he performed for the BT Awards?
Yes.
Yes, around them time then. Mm-hmm. And the man will say, yo, what is it with you and Beanie? Anthony, let me stop it there. Mm-hmm. Me and Beanie Man have nothing, but Beanie Man, him full of bad mind. When God give a bad mind, Beanie Man there front I lie with him and church out for about 5 minutes that I collect. So God believe me, and broke my neck on the green tree.
Bro, listen, when I heard that, me a dead. Yo. I said, how did this man even think of this?
Yeah.
It's like, how did this man think of this madness, bro?
Yeah, man. When I tell you about youth, it say like, we used to party like a be a gimmicks man. Mm-hmm. We used to party around with. So it's like you develop the personality there for just run joke. And you're quick-witted and everything. Mm-hmm. You see me? Metaphor, simile, me is a writer. So I bring that to the writing dialogue for acting. Mm. You know, because we use whole heap of metaphor and simile in our writing songs. So why not take it over to the acting? And also Twin of Twins was a big influence of mine as well.
Okay.
Yeah, Twin of Twins.
Would you say they were the ones that probably introduced you to the voices?
Yes. Mm-hmm. Yes. At them I listen to every day. At them I catch the Killer. Them I catch the LA. All round it to the fullest. Spit rhymes like bullets. It might come off a long time ago. It might sound like Elephant Man and Blood Clot Killer at the same time.
One.
Still. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Round it to the fullest. That is it right.
Yes.
Round it to the fullest. That is it right there. Yeah. So yeah,
they were your big inspiration.
Biggest comedic, whether abroad or yard. Biggest. Because everybody used to listen to Stir Up Volume.
Of course, boss.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean? So did you ever meet Twin of the Twins?
Never. I had the opportunity to meet him 1 year, I think a year before last, when he fought at Georgia. But I was traveling for work at that time, so I couldn't meet him. But I tell myself, say, I'm happy meet them brother, yeah. I follow me and Tulax. We follow each other on social media. Mm-hmm. Yeah, but yeah, man, I have to meet them in real life.
Yeah. No, that man, they're broad, you know.
But yo, I give them man the props any day.
Listen, and it's just natural how they do it. If you and them are sitting down talking now, they're just doing it like, well, especially like Curly Locks. Him now, he will just do it like it's nothing. Like it's part of the conversation that you're having. Mm-hmm. Them there,
Them man, they have over 20 different voice. Yeah, man.
Listen, but so we're dealing with the Ellie here. When was the first time you decided, okay, yeah, cool, I could do the voice? You decided now to get the wig.
So we all know Elephant Man always have some outrageous colorful hairstyle. You see me? So we didn't want to try see if we could get a cane row thing and rare, but it never work out. So we got a party and see that wig there and say, color. Me never that thing want a rainbow thing. Just say color. I say Elephant Man here always color. So I drop that night, I change the dynamics. People attracted to color anyway, and it did work. People said, no, so watch your wig on him head. You see me? You know Jamaican go on.
Yeah.
Watch him wear something. Watch him wear a wig. Why not woman wig?
Yeah.
You see me? It's not a woman wig. It's a clown wig, but to them, a wig is a wig.
Wig is a wig.
Weird.
Yeah.
But it's clothes is clothes then. So me not for wear clothes, cause woman wear clothes too. I never say. Like it's kind of stupid, but yeah, I thought that would change the whole dynamics, and it did. And I think that's why him did feel some type of way.
So back then, did he ever reach out to you or like any of their videos? Right? There was
Straight black from the first video I make. Being a man full of bad mind.
So I thought the black got later on. I didn't know it was from Jump.
My black from the start.
Yeah.
My black for about 5-6 years now. Yeah, no joke. Elephant Man, free me up, Elephant Man. About 6 years now, I'm black now, bro.
Yeah.
Please free me up.
And nobody ever told you why he blocked you for that video in particular?
No, not in particular, but I found out that the dislike, I found out about the dislike. Well, the black showed me that him never like it, but in detail, he did a podcast with the Fix. Yeah, Nara them. Big up on yourself, Fix.
For sure. Javi.
And him I said, can you unblock NEGUS? Man, stay there. Yeah, I'm telling you something. If you think now with NEGUS now, you can't just a clown out my thing. See, I'm world renowned, and you can't just a clown out my brand. I mean, I say, you know what? Damn, I'm a talk truth. It takes a lot of time and effort to build a brand from scratch.
For sure.
And that is one of the main reasons why I'm like, damn. I mean, Twin of Twins made fun of him and Ray, but maybe because him and the twins are my friend, him probably take it different from me now. Him probably think of stylings or whatever. But no, I was never stylings. I have a lisp just like Elephant Man. So when I pronounce the lisp, I don't make fun of me, I make fun of him. I'm using my lisp for real. You see me? So I can talk like I said, just work hand in hand, but no disrespect to Ellie, I straight love. I swear to God. I rate the man to go him walk on. Ellie.
Was there any time when doing all of these skits here where you thought in yourself before you posted or before you recorded, I might be going a bit too far?
Yeah. Yeah, I have. But you know, that's what works sometimes.
It's
the shock factor
to the edge as far as you can.
The shock factor, you see me? And I understand. And that is why I don't really do as much Elephant Man videos anymore. Because when I want the G feel like a clown out thing. But then on the flip side, Killer reposted my content more time. Yeah. So it's like with Killer and LA, it's like night and day. I think Killer more relaxed in a way.
And that sounds, even for you to even come up with that thought, that seems so strange where we're talking. Killer more relaxed, more than Ellie.
Cross, angry. Hey boy, NEGUS, don't make another video, me youth. Hey boy, I will boom a shot in the head, hear that youth. Hey boy. You see me? So it's like, you that thing say, Ellie would be the laid back one, but nah. But it's cool though. As you know, one day hopefully we can do all a music video. But why not an Elephant Man music video? I think that would go viral.
For sure.
Yeah.
Where you guys actually met now. You know what I mean? Where okay, NEGUS and Ellie actually met. You talked about whatever you're talking about. Let's do some work. You know what I mean?
I'm down even right now. With the black same way. They gotta keep me black. Let's make work together, my father.
You know what a lot of people really appreciated you for? The fact that you sat down and I think you made 2 videos and you apologized to him. And this was not NEGUS the character. This was NEGUS the man now talking to the audience, because you could see, you played it and you broke down everything you're saying, and you could see in yourself, say, okay, you know what? You're right. Because at this time, did you really understand what a brand was at this time here yet?
Yeah. Because I see when you have some like goonies, you know, on the internet where I try to bring me down on them things the same way, so I can't understand. You know, I'm big on putting myself in people's shoes because I am even today I'm misunderstood, I believe. So would I want somebody put for themselves in my shoes? Cause I did that, and I look on it and I say, you don't say the G right, because if somebody around with my brand and me take 3-4 years to build, I go vex too. I go vex. Like people, I say one time, I make a video one time and I say, them white Jamaican, where them come from? No man, the girl look good. Me say man, clip up video, call me coon, and me love white woman more than black woman and baby. I'm like, where the hell this come from? That's some bring down thing this.
Yeah.
Just because me compliment white woman, una say me a coon. That's crazy, bro. So I understand when people are trying to bring down a thing, but me personally wasn't trying to bring down anything. I was just playing a character.
It was a character, but he doesn't know what's in your mind. He's just seeing what's on the screen, probably getting 1 million people sending to him. Say, oh, what kind of thing? And I think...
I know what too. You see how people who are your fans, them will put things in your head to make you feel like people are this year, you know. Because them could have said, yo, watch a PUSSY, yo, Ellie, watch my this year. And Ellie see that and say, man, this man for real. But niggas nah this, Ellie, I swear. I swear.
And I think it's more or less to the stuff that you were saying, because a couple times you brought up that Beanie Man situation and you really went deep into it. So you're figuring, okay, it's like, is this what he's really going to be saying or feeling?
Bro, just to be real, that's a real interview. I might say some outrageous stuff, but Elephant Man never hold back. The man said, Beanie Man head pitchy and ray and them some of that. So when him said that, I say, Beanie Man head type of pick out. So I say, the reason why you head type of pick out because you have Carlene and Danger them and thing on their head. Elephant Man might not say that, but you did say Beanie Man head a pick out. The man said, Beanie Man, all the time for you sit down.
Yeah.
Like Anthony Miller, like it's a real interview. But people feel like I'm me make it up. It real.
Yeah.
Real.
Bro, that is wild to even think of that there. You know what I mean? But I said, the people really found a deeper admiration, respect, and love for you when you actually sat down and said, I was wrong.
Yeah.
I get it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It takes a big man to do that.
I appreciate that.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate that 100%. I mean, I have no ill feelings toward the G at all. Ellie, that's straight love, father. Straight love. Honestly.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.